is the manual traction and decompression for your cervical spine. Inhale ka lang sa ilong, exhale sa ilong. Alright? Sige, inhale sa ilong, exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Good man. Nice. So, good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, andito tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si Sir
Warren.
Oh, si Sir Warren. Oh. Sir, saan niyo po nakita yung ating page?
Sa TikTok.
Sa TikTok?
Yeah.
Nagti-TikTok si Sir. Okay. Ano po yung pinaka napanood niyo doon? Or meron ba kayong same concern sa mga napanood niyo sa TikTok?
Actually, yung sa ka-batchmate ko, si Gab.
Si Gab. Shoutout sa'yo, Gab.
Ayan.
Okay.
Same din, lower back din, sa neck.
Okay. Any incident na nangyari sa'yo noon?
Wala naman.
Accident or serious accident before, gano'n?
Before,
or pagkadulas, ganyan?
Siguro, pero way back years ago na yun eh.
Ano nangyari?
Car accident.
Uy, ano nangyari? Bakit?
Ano na naman,
Nagkaroon ka ba
tawag
ng
dito?
whiplash, gano'n? Or something? Hindi naman.
actually di ko alam na eh, kasi unconscious na ako. 2 days unconscious.
Okay.
So, yun. Pero, bugbog yung katawan ko that time. That
Sobra.
was parang 2020, 4 years ago.
Tagal na,
Oo.
2020. Tapos, ang pinaka-result mo sa lahat ng examination, especially x-rays and MRI?
Wala naman. Actually, naging normal naman. Siguro yung pain na nararamdaman ko is siguro yung
More on sa
pagdadrive
shock.
ko.
Yes. Mhm.
Siguro, mali yung posture ko pagtulog,
Okay.
gano'n.
Sige. Ayan. Titignan naman natin, no? Magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination. Alright? Sige. Para at least makita natin yung root cause bakit nagkakaroon ng mga ganito pang kondisyon sa iyong katawan. Alright? Na active ka sa sports or gym? Di pa?
Actually, active
Anong
ako.
mo? Basketball?
Basketball.
Oh, nakakapaglaro ka pa ngayon? During or after the game, anong pinaka nararamdaman mo?
After the game.
Anong nararamdaman mo?
Ito yun nga, sa lower back, minsan sa knee.
Okay.
Actually, ito, yung
Okay.
right ankle ko, minsan pag mali yung tapak, kumikirot.
Kumikirot.
Oo.
May something na
Parang
titignan
naipit
natin
or
yan.
something siguro.
Okay? So, mostly ito yung nagiging cause ng mga iba't ibang mga activities natin na medyo bugbog na. At the same time, ay wear and tear na tinatawag. Ilang taon ka na ba ngayon?
26.
26. So, at least medyo bata-bata pa ng konti.
Mm.
Okay? Pero lahat ng mga activities natin, once na sobrang bugbog naman or sobrang excessive na paggamit sa lahat ng mga katawan natin ay meron at merong nagiging consequences pagtatanda natin. Ganun. Okay? O yung tinatawag natin na wear and tear. Merong mga ganong times, pero may improve natin yan sa mga ganitong klaseng therapy, which is resetting and recovery ng muscles. Resetting, if ever man na merong disorder sa joints or merong deformation sa ating spine, pwede nating maibalik. At nakaka-recover yung mga muscles na nakasuporta doon sa area na yun. Okay? So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination. Sige,
Okay.
posture up ka. Okay? Kamusta ito pag nakaganito?
Okay naman.
Dito pa naman yung natural curve ng ating lumbar spine. Very good pa naman ito. Tingin ka sa left. Sige, go, sagad. Yan, kamusta yan?
Okay naman.
Tingin sa right.
Pero parang medyo naiipit.
Naipit. Medyo masikip ng konti. Yan, kamusta? Medyo pilit ng konti. Okay. Tingala. Yan. Ang normal is about 45 degrees extension. Yan. Yan. Hindi na masyadong maipush. Right here. Kamusta ito pagka napupush natin?
Medyo...
May tension?
Yeah.
Okay. Wala namang pain.
Wala naman.
Good. Masikip lang. Okay? Sige. Ngayon, ayoko. Push kita ha. Ayan. How's this? Normal stretch?
Normal.
Very good. Check natin yung iyong traps muscles. Yan. All the way up. Sige, dikit sa tenga. Ayan. Kamusta yan? Masikip?
Sige.
Or may effort ka pa?
May effort pa.
Okay, down. Patignan naman natin ito. Here. All the way up. Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Okay naman.
Pero
Andun
yun,
na.
may effort pa rin.
Medyo masikip.
Yeah.
Okay. Mabigat ng konti. Ayan. O, yun yung aalisin natin. Alright? Para at least mobile ulit yung iyong mga muscle support. Tignan naman natin ng iyong lower. This one, lateral muscles and rhomboid. Here. Yun, oh, very good naman ito. Kamusta naman to?
Okay naman.
Nice. O, kabila. Yun. So, medyo almost. This one. How's this? Okay? Medyo may sikip ng konti. Ayan. So, kailan mo nararamdaman yung iyong lower back na sumasakit ba?
Minsan pag
Nangangalay ka na?
Oo, pag siguro
Long
during
driving or ano?
long drive.
Okay.
Tapos siguro pag sobrang napatagal pag nakahiga.
Nakahiga.
Minsan kasi naka-slouch kasi ako eh.
Hmm.
So,
Parang-
like yung ulo lang yung nakaangat.
Okay. Mataas ka mag-unan.
Yes, so
Dapat hindi. Okay? Iwasan mo na. Ang pinaka-technique, once na gusto mo mag-incline. Okay? The more na gusto mo mag-incline, the more na gusto mong dagdagan yung unan. Pero, ang ang sikreto ay yung nasa lower na unan, okay, ay ibababa mo hanggang dito sa shoulder blade. For example, dalawang unan mo lang here. Okay? O ilalagay mo sa lower thoracic, right here, yung ating unan na isa. O sa gitna ng ating shoulder blade. Okay? So, ang purpose na itong isang unan, di ba, nanggaganyan na siya. Ito yung magiging suporta ng leeg mo na.
okay.
Okay? So, kapag ka nahigaan mo yan, di ba, tutupin ng ganun yan. Parang ganyan. So, para na siyang magiging pillow neck na rin. O, nakalapat siya sa buong leeg. At the same time, hindi ka nakaganon, hindi ka rin nakaganito.
Okay.
Okay? So, yun yung magsusuporta both ways ng ating lower thoracic at saka lower cervical spine. Okay? O, ngayon, very good naman ang iyong lower lumbar. O, tingnan natin ito. This one. Stand up ka. This one. Go back. Bend. Okay. Okay. O, kamusta?
Okay na.
May masikip or may pain? Wala naman.
Wala namang pain.
Very good. O, ngayon, manually checking your buong spine. Okay? Harap ka sa akin. Bend forward. Go. Nice. Okay. Let's see this one, ha? O, up ng konti. Yan. Unti lang, unti lang. Ayun ang problema. Okay? With this one, with your lumbar spine, especially, 1, 2, 3. O, so, junction ng 2 at saka 3, lumbar spine, which is nakaangat yung vertebrae natin dito sa left side. O, medyo angat ito kaysa dito. Okay? Ayan. So, ang tawag dito is a misalignment kasi nandito pa naman sa gitna yung ating spine. So, hindi naman siya na development of mild scoliosis. Up ng konti. Stay. Good. O, right here. Medyo naapektuhan na ito ng konti. Buong lumbar natin. At saka, junction ng thoracic. More of here. Up ng konti. Yuko. Ayun. So, right here. This one. So, sa rib cage din natin ay naapektuhan na ito. Okay? Kasi medyo nakataas ito lahat. More of left lahat, ha? O, ito mababa. O, up ng konti. Yun. So, right here din. Scapula. Rib cage. O, mababa ito. Mataas ito. Check natin yung shoulders mo. Relax ka. Okay. Yes. Pansin mo sa sarili mo na medyo mababa yung
Right.
right. Okay? Check natin sa tuhod. This one. 1 foot up. Kamusta? Okay lang? Sige. Down. Up. Kamusta ito? Yung tuhod mo, wala naman. Very good. Down. Kabila. Sige. Up. Very good. Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Nice. At least, very good naman. Normal procedure at wala masyadong concern. Ngayon, dadapa ka. Ready ka na?
Okay.
Sige. Okay, so first, ang gagawin natin, i-check natin lower extremities and joints. Okay? Here, iliac crest, pelvis, and sacroiliac joint. Taas mo ito. Sige, up. Kamusta ito? Mabigat? Okay? At saka hindi maayos yung rotation. Ang normal na rotation is about here. Yan. Masakit? Okay. Down. O, kabila. Kamusta ito?
Okay naman.
Okay naman? Mabigat?
Mabigat din.
Mabigat din. O, sige. Normal is about here. Ayan. Dapat ganito yung rotation. At saka movement. Okay? Ayusin natin ito, ha? First is our iliac crest and lumbar 5 right here. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Nice. How is it?
Tumanog.
Yes. Good. Let's see this one. Okay. Relax ako. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. How is it?
Okay naman.
Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay? Very clear na. Gagawin naman natin is for your sacrum and inner pubic bone. Ngayon, ay itataas mo ngayon itong sabay. Kanina, take isa, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos naka-diretso. Ngayon, sabay mo siya, itataas diretso, at titigasan ang puwetan. Okay? Sige. Ready? Go up. Diretso yung tubod. Yan, tigasan yung puwetan. Good. Nice. Kamusta?
Okay. Nakakabigla.
Ngayon ay sa iyong iliac crest and lower lumbar 5. Magfo-focus. Inhale. Exhale stretch. Good. Good. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. Relax it. Kami? Kaya?
Kaya.
Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Kaya? Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Wow. Now. Good?
Dami.
Ayan, sa ribs na tayo. Especially dito. I'll push this up. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Wow. That's the main problem. Okay? Which is, yung sabi ko sa kayo kanina is yung lumbar 2, 3 junction ay yung vertebrae niya ay nakataas. Alright? Sige, let's see this one. So, lower 4. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay, very clear na. Here. Upper and middle thoracic. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. And upper rib. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Last one here. Ready? Upper. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Okay, so ito ay tight. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Down. Okay. Alright. Clear. Down. Clear. Last one. Oh, tignan mo. Normal. This one ay hindi. Okay? Next natin, dito tayo sa middle thoracic. Sige, let's see this one. Once na ito ay medyo tight, iba yung gagawin natin, ha? Inhale ka. Exhale. Good. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. There. Okay? Upper side. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Oh. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Breathe out. Down. Okay, so ito ay tight ng konti. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. Okay. Clear. Next, dito tayo sa batok mo. Ito yung nagiging cause kanina ng hindi mo maayos na pagtingala at yung tension. Ito yung ayusin natin with the lower cervical spine, which is C6 and C7 tayo magsimula. Open this one. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. This one, lower C5 and C6 junction. Right here. Yan, napupush ko ng thumb ko ito. Right there. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Good, good, good. Oh. Nice. Ngayon, i-check na natin ulit yung iyong legs or yung rotation right here sa lower extremities, iliac crest, pelvis, and sympodic joint. Taas mo ulit ito. Go up. Nice. How is it now? Magaan?
Magaan.
Tignan mo yung rotation at saka sobrang taas. Kabila. Go. Wow. Nice. How is it?
Magaan.
Mas hindi napigil.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Mas hindi napilit.
Very good. Okay? So, ganitong paraan, mas nakukuha natin yung range of motion and flexibility or na-unlock natin ulit lahat. Para, once na maglaro ka, yung dynamic movements, especially yung running, okay? Mama-maximize yung motion with this one. Very good. Ngayon, sit down ka na para dito sa malalim na part. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. You good? That's it. Ngayon, higa. Hihaya. Face up. This time, lower extremities again. Ngayon, natapilok ka na dati?
Oo, natapilok mo.
Foot. Kasi maraming bones and ligament support and joints here. Okay, and first is our phalanges. Okay, here.
Oh. Oh.
Nice. Ngayon ay metatarsal. Here, upper side. Clear, lower side. Nice. Okay, good. Next is navicular bone. Here. Nice. Okay. Next is for your talus bone. Okay. Here. Very good. Clear. Next for our cuboid. Turn in. Up. Relax ito ha. Nice. Next is for your heel. Sige, we will turn this one in. Yep. Nice. Any pain? Okay ka lang?
Okay naman.
This one. Good. Clear. Navicular bone. This one. Very good. Clear naman. Cuboid. Here. Relax.
Oh.
Nice. Then, heel. Right there. Relax na ha. Nice. Sa tukod, ating tibial bone and fibula bone sa hinge joint. We will turn this one and push it out. Nice. Inner side. Very good there. This one is for your groin. Relax. Ayan. Nice. So, upright. Very clear. This one. Okay, relax na. Nice.
All
Ngayon,
good.
sacroiliac joint at saka sa ating lumbar. Yeah, this is the right position. This one. Glutes and piriformis muscles and sacroiliac joint. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Okay, relax na ito. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Ngayon, decompression for your lumbar spine. Okay? So, let it out lahat when you exhale. Okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay, inhale again. Exhale. Good. Nice. Saan mo siya naramdaman? More of here, or doon? O dito lang? Sa upper side. Okay? Dito na tayo sa kamay. See this one. Pain. Here. Oh, very good na. At least, nakatigan natin yung power. Grip. Sige, grip. Good. Okay. Try. Grip. Grip ka. Very good. Okay. Very clear naman. Muffle that up. Very good. Mas okay yung iyong wrist at carpal bones na tinatawag. See this one, elbow. Relax ang shoulder. Nice. Here. Turn. Nice. Mhm. Slowly here. Konti lang ito. Next one here. Good. Then, elbow. Very good. Nice. Now, cervical spine. Sa leeg. This one. Pain. Number 2. Meron. Meron. Number 3.
Yeah.
Number 4. Number
Four.
5. And traps muscles. Chromium.
Yan.
Number 1. Number 2.
Mm.
Number 3. Number 4. And 5. Traps. May masakit?
Mm.
Chromium.
Wala. Wala.
Okay. Now, relax mo yung shoulder. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Go. Nice. Nice. That's it. Clear. Clear. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Nice. This is the manual traction and decompression for your cervical spine. Inhale ka lang sa ilong, exhale sa ilong. Alright? Sige, inhale sa ilong, exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Good man. Nice. See again. Ngayon, ipupush na natin ang iyong mga trigger points again. Okay?
Mhm.
Sige. How's this one?
Wala nang pain.
Good. Number 2.
Wala na rin.
Number 3.
Wala na rin.
4.
Wala na rin.
And 5. Kanina ang pinakamasakit is
1 to 3.
yes, is 3 ay pinakamasakit.
Mhm.
Let's see this one.
Wala na rin.
Good. See the difference? Good. Okay? So right away when we release the tension ay makaka-recover yung muscles. How's this?
Wala.
Number 2. Number 3.
Wala.
Number 4.
Wala din.
Good. Here.
Wala.
Nice one. See? Ano? Here. Ipupush kita pa harap. Pipigilan mo ako. Okay? Sige. Ready? Pigil. Lakas, lakas. Lakas. Good. Nice. Ready? Pigil. Go. Lakas. Good. Okay. Very firm. Stretch it. Okay. Very clear. Stretch. And last one. Stretch. And last one up. Rotator cuff. Down. Yuko, 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 yuko. Lupay pa ito ba? Okay. Very good naman. Nice. Okay. Relax. Shoulder down. Oh, clear. Okay? Last is for your ears.
Mhm.
Right here. Sige, relax.
Mhm.
Good. Good. Good.
Mm.
Nice. Okay? And then, our sensitive part ng ears. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Yan. So, Rock Nation, hello again, and we're done with Sir
Warren.
Warren. Alright. So, kamusta ang experience ng therapy?
Actually, gumaan yung feeling ko.
Mhm.
Tapos parang na-release nga yung siguro yung tightness ng muscles.
Mhm.
Tapos yung pain, hindi ko na rin maramdaman.
Very good. Alright. So ngayon, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng physical examination. Before and after. Alright? Posture up. Nice. Please, very good pa naman. Oh. Tingin sa left. Good. Tingin sa right. Kamusta?
Mas nasasagad ko na siya na
Nice.
effortless.
Ngayon ay tingala. Sige, go. Up. Oh, see this one? 45 degrees. How's this? Kanina medyo may masikip. This one. Ito na yung pinaka upright na tama. Ngayon ay shoulder traps muscles. Kanina may effort at masikip ng konti. Tama? Ganto ka. Ready? Go up. Dikit sa tenga. How is it now?
Mas magaan na.
Mas easy na.
Mas easy na.
Good. Nice. At least, hindi na sobrang effort. No, sige
Parang
na.
hindi na siya pilit.
Nice. Sige, mula sa harap. Go all the way up. Dikit ay ilagpas sa tenga. How is it now?
Okay.
Better?
Better.
Good. Nice. So at least ay okay naman ito.
Solid.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yan.
you.
Alright, picture tayo.